it's right from this conference that we put ministers on notice, as we demand a programme of pay restoration for all teachers, starting with our calls for a minimum 12% pay award from this September. Nothing else will do. You know, if they can find the money to write off £8.7 billion of debt from dodgy PPE procurement during the pandemic, if they can find the money to bail out failing academies to the tune of millions with no hope of ever seeing that money returned, if they can give lucrative contracts to companies like Randstad and leave them to walk away without any penalty when they fail to deliver, then they can now find the money for teachers and for education.